We've heard a lot about delays in testing for the coronavirus, and Oregon State Public Health Labs say they can do 80 COVID-19 tests a day. But the question is that enough?
Because remember, some spots can do up to thousands of tests a day. Jacqueline Abad live with what the state is doing and when we could maybe see some more testing. Jacqueline.
Jeff, Jennifer, well, those state labs are prioritizing the tests for those who are seriously ill or for those who are at high risk. Oregon health officials expect local hospital systems to have COVID-19 testing up and running within the next week or so. From a state to national level, we are racing to catch up with COVID-19 testing.
The system is not really geared to what we need right now, what you are asking for. That is a failing.
And failing, yes.
It is a failing. I mean, let's admit it.
While testing is becoming more widely available, those who are most vulnerable are at the top of the list to get tested. Health officials say hospital systems in Oregon are looking to set up testing, but they need the green light.
We don't have any hospital systems locally who are up in testing. They're currently setting those tests up. They need to be validated. It's a long process, but the Public Health Lab is committed to assisting them, and as soon as they come on board, we'll let you know.
And it could take even longer for commercial testing because they need supplies.
There's many things that are involved in doing that test. People focus on the CDC test kit, and that's one aspect of it. But there's other things that the labs need to do those tests, many of which are in short supply.
In Washington state, the state lab is ramping up testing with the goal of testing about 200 people a day. University of Washington Virology Lab has a capacity of 1,500 tests a day. UW Medical Center is even testing their own employees through a drive-through. But when could we see something like this in Oregon?
Certainly, I would appreciate the capacity to have more testing, but my understanding, at least according to public health professionals, is that we have an adequate amount.
Governor Brown says that they are concerned about test capacity, but she also says it's up to the federal government to expand it. Now, earlier today, we reached out to OHSU to see if they are planning or preparing to administer COVID-19 testing, but we have not heard back. Reporting live in Northeast Portland, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks, Jack.